Hey, it's Steve, and today I want to show you a trick that you can do with your computer, and I call this Carefree computing because this little trick gets rid of all the attachments that kind of accumulate with your computer over time and over usage. This is PC, and for you people on Apple who are using Apple, I don't know how to do this with an Apple computer, but maybe if you know, you can post it below and let everybody else know. This is what you do with a PC version. Let me take you through the steps. It's pretty easy. And if you do have an Apple computer, you can still watch this video because I want you to think about the attachments in your life. What are you attached to? Are you attached to getting things? Are you attached to material objects? Are you attached to finding love? Are you attached to hooking up? Are you attached to your ego, your emotions, all kinds of things? Are those attachments getting in the way of you living that kind of life and that kind of lifestyle that you want to have? Give that some thought and see where maybe you can let go of some of those attachments, or take a look at where letting go of those attachments might be just a better overall approach for dealing with things. Okay, so let's get into this and I'll show you real quick what the steps are. Okay, step one, you want to double click on that folder all the way on the bottom right here. Double click on that folder because we've got to get to the control panel. Okay, step two, we get this window here which has a lot of downloads. We can go up one level. If you go up one level over here, okay, now if you go up one level over here, it brings you to this board of icons, and your control panel will be on this board of icons right here. Okay, double click on that, and now that'll bring up this window here. Now you go into your system and security, double click that, and it gives you this menu here, and then go down to administrative tools all the way on the bottom, and you go to free up disk space. Double click on free up disk space. Alright, now it's going to give you this window here, and it's going to tell you that it's going to analyze disk C. So we click on the OK, it gives you this window here, and it's going to show you all the different attachments that can be deleted. Now if you scroll down on the right hand side, you'll see all of them, and if there's something there that you don't want deleted, just make sure that the box is not ticked. Now it's going to delete everything in your recycle bin, so make sure there's nothing in your recycle bin that you need. But in my experience, deleting most of these files or deleting all these files have never created any sort of issues for me, but that might be different for you, so just make sure it's going to be cool. You can be fairly assured that you're going to be okay if you delete these. So I've got thumbnails, I've got temporary files I'm going to delete. I'm going to delete everything in my recycle bin, and then it has temporary internet files and downloader program files. Okay, so once you've done that, you go down to the bottom and you click OK, and it'll give you another box which will prompt you again, and you click delete, and then it'll give you a little box like that that'll tell you that it's deleting everything, and then all those files will be deleted. This should make your computer run a whole lot faster and run a whole lot more efficiently. Okay, I hope this video was helpful and that you've let go of some attachments, at least your computer has, and now you can do some carefree computing. And remember, for yourself, when you start to let go of everything, that's when you can start to have anything. I'm Steve L. Talk to you soon.